Air conditioner deflector spinning machine in a circle flanging machine. It is aimed at the spinning and flanging work of the inner circle of square air conditioning panels, such as irregular volute panels, square air conditioning fan casings, and on the flanges end. The bell mouth is formed. The structural principle is different from the automatic flanging machine that pulls and flips. Principle: the machine adopts CNC control system, and the double knife rotates internally to complete the flanging of the inner hole and the bell mouth forming. Device parameters: power supply voltage AC 380 volts. Control system CNC. Equipment power 10.5 kW. Flange specification 1500 million. Flange thickness 3.0 million. Equipment mass 5,000 kilograms. Equipment specification 2,800 million.